What up, Hound? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he did. Welcome back, it's your boy!
I can't remember if I filmed a minute.
Ah. Look at that mustache. View my face, bruh. There it is.
Yeah. I can't remember if I I can't remember if I filmed.
Oh, touch as canceled.
Today we're gonna stitch weld. Well, not today. Throughout this week, going to.
If we use this footage, we didn't do shit today.
What am I doing? I'm getting confused.
I didn't do shit today. That's my life.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
I guess it would be the
It'll make them feel like they're bigger people.
Yeah, you go. I was gonna say, I'm talking to you.
Oh my god, how do people do that in real life? That hurt my back so bad.
Bro, welcome to my life.
Dude. They're like super deep.
Buy this. I have a vice too. It's not good for your health, but it's a vice nonetheless.
Hi, folks.
Too fat to get in here.
That's
Nice.
not gonna be included.
Nice. Focus. I know. I think I forgot the settings a little bit on that one, but it's fine.
Wow.
I don't know. Look at that though. Fucking missed that. I didn't press anything. I tried to do the focus thing, but it didn't. Okay, maybe it does work.
It's not instant.
You're
It takes
not
a minute.
instant.
Step on the windshield because that's gonna need to get replaced before it passes tech. So.
Before it passes what? Excuse me?
Tech.
Thing's got VTech, bro?
No, like racetrack tech.
VTech, bro?
No. Yeah.
Okay, hold on, time out for a sec. You guys saw like an engine lift, right? It's just 3 lines. Brand new, used, power fist. This goes really high.
Why can I not say filmed?
You made it just look like the camera froze. A little sketchy, but let's get down to business. Matt, remember to send this video to Guinness so that he has it for his notes as well. 77% is good. GoPro, stop recording.
Also, Matt, I wrote it down.
Send him the video anyways, because you're a and that's how you roll. Stop recording. It's cool because I'm looking at us. Inception. You're upside down. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah, you yell at your child.
Okay. Remember, guys, always
Wear mouth protection.
I'm working on stuff like this.
Facebook one.
Right, yeah.
A photo.
A 40. Give me my chisel.
Nothing.
Uh-oh. I don't use the selfie stick because it's not the selfie stick that gives me the problem. It's when I flip the screen up, I touch the buttons. What up? That's an intercooler. It's a big boy.
Actually,
It's not a big boy, right? It's a small boy. Go ahead. Tell me that the off button doesn't turn it off.
that's like the biggest one you can get.
Thank you. Come again. Okay, so whoops. I'm not supposed to say that. Follow our Instagram page. Just saying.
Get the camera.